What's going on? It's Bapetown. I don't think they ready. With another video. Today we'll be looking at the BAPE Stüssy trucker caps. Now it's been a minute since BAPE and Stüssy did a collab together, and if I remember right, and don't quote me, their last collab was 2013, and I remember they did a whole video featuring some of the members from the ASAP mob, showcasing all kinds of dope items from that collection that year. Now I do remember their first collab, back in 2010 when they dropped the summer collection, and then later that year, the holiday collection. So when they announced this new collab, your boy was hyped, dropping in 4 colorways. We got the first camo yellow, ABC camo pink, color camo purple, and the color camo black. If you think about it, they chose the color from each of their signature camos. From the first camo, we got the yellow. From the color camo, the purple. And from the ABC camo, we got the pink. Now for the color camo black, it's not in the main lineup of the color camo group, but sometimes it likes to sneak in there for certain releases. You know, something neutral, a color that matches everything. With the front half of the cap cotton and the back half that nylon mesh, we got a really good and strong embroidery of the Stussy logo on the front. Taking a look on the inside, we have that BAPE and Stüssy tag, and of course, the Ape logo tag. Now what I liked about this collab the most, they just dropped one cap. Dropping a whole collection is cool, but sometimes just one item gives it that exclusivity. Well, there it is, the BAPE Stüssy trucker cap. Which colorway you copping?
Here comes a new challenger!
Now I've been getting all kinds of questions about these Ape slippers, especially on the sizing. Released as a free size slipper, it should fit most sizes. Let me show you guys. So your boy wears a size 9. So I would say a size 10 and down, you good. But for you Bigfoot ass, nah, I'm playing. Here's a size 12. A little bit of spillage, but it's not that bad. Better than how Kanye wore his slides. At the end of the day, they slippers. Slip them on, slip them off. Don't have to be a perfect fit. This material though, real good for winter. If you want to cop and everything else, I have all the latest BAPE on my website. Link in the description. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!